Alright, getting a few bricks in POV style. Got some recording glasses on. Get a closer look of how we lay our pier work. Yeah, we're 6 courses into the morning, up on the scaff. Boards are filled with mud on top of stands, plenty of bricks up. Got a couple of sticks holding these props. Getting through it, the plan is to finish this up. Still got another 10 or so courses to go. 10 to 12 courses. And then we've got a section set up there that we can scaffold and finish to the top. Someone can carry on getting that curved wall to scaffold height, and we've got to set up a section out the back. Double skin wall structurals for some retaining out there. Some morning session. We've got a big grey, cloudy overhead. We've got a bit of access on the side so we can push the barrow right up. Beautiful. Got this section done. Inside's up to the height it's got to go. The back side's got another 2 courses. So the LBL supporting the trusses will sit on the inside skin. Get nailed to the hoop iron every 600. That's how it's come up. The pier there. Boys are just finishing the last of it on the outside. Let's have a look. Beautiful. Good work, boys. Last couple. All right. Just before lunch, the boys are set up. 6 profiles here. A few sticks on them. We've got a T formation double retaining wall here that we bonded out. We did a course and put a square on here and just run the square along one of these profiles as we laid it out. Checked it for square. Put 2 courses on. Put profiles to there. We've just got to gauge it up now. And then we're just going to run into this. So we've got to run this up of our scaffold height, about 22 courses. And then we can scaffold it for tomorrow. We've got to get this fit up to keep them, let these guys keep working at the back. So we've got to get these up as fast as we can. The sun's beating down now, nice and warm. Right, so we've just gotten that up to scaffold height, 20 courses. This is how it's looking. So that's a double skin you can see there. Just another 700 bricks laid there. 1400 this morning for a total of 2100 bricks between 4 brickies, 2 labourers. That's how it looks like here. It's going to pull off these profiles, join behind, set up the scaffold tomorrow. Beautiful day for it. Soaking up wet bricks. Check out the other side. Check out this side. Got a loud generator going on. It's been a while since I've done a radius or a curved wall. Got 2 courses laid out. I'm going to set a profile here, probably a profile in the middle of the radius and another one here when it returns in. Got halves cut and trimmed back at the moment to allow for 10mm joints. But if you've got any advice on how the best way to get this done, I'd appreciate any advice you've got. It's going to take 12 bricks worth of halves each course. So we're going to chew through at least a pallet and a half, I reckon, on each of these 2 walls, curve walls. Any advice on a curve wall would be much appreciated. It's a little bit of noise out at the moment. I might go out the front. Just packing up. We're going to shut the gates on the 2 side walls. The boys are just scaffolding the section out the back, getting some bricks up for the morning so we can hit the ground running. But it was a pretty good day in the end. Just over 2100 bricks. Section set up for the morning that we can crush, and we'll start carrying on with we've got a couple of piers to do at the back as well as the retaining wall. There's 2 350 solid brick piers that are going to go on either of the points of the alfresco, and that's going to hold up the beams to build the pergola. So a little bit of work to do at the back tomorrow before we can head back out to the front, but not a whole lot of vision today, but hopefully we can get some more action tomorrow. So I appreciate you tuning in, and see you on the next video. Cheers guys.